från början.
Ja, vad vill du köra?
Ja, jag kör på. Ja. Aperitif is the game. Negroni is the name. Italian vibes is here. Gonna go into the aperitivi part of the drink world. So we're gonna make the Negroni Sbagliato with Prosecco in it. Where I'm from, I would call this Negroni Sbagliato. I brought an extra set of the apples. Because we all know what happened last time. You've been asking for it, you've been memeing for it. It's time to do the mistakes.
This is my first time, you know.
What?
Yeah.
Let's make a Negroni Sbagliato with Prosecco in it.
Oh, stunning.
The Negroni Sbagliato is, first of all, lesson number 1, it's Sbagliato, not Sbagliato. The G is silent. No, Sbagliato. Sbagliato. Sbagliato.
Why do you think we're making this today?
Because I always make mistakes and the drink is about mistakes. I don't make mistakes. So we call it a mistake because it was originally made with soda water instead of Prosecco. But for some reason the bartender mistook soda water from Prosecco. I don't know how. It was maybe a little before work. There we go, he invented the Sbagliato.
You said Sbagliato.
Yep. I'm gonna forever call it the Sbagliato. I'm not Italian. Sbagliato. So, as you guys seen in Rico's video, the Perfect Negroni.
Is it really perfect?
No, he never makes anything perfect. He spills. It's a disaster. But we're gonna make even bigger mistakes. So we're gonna need a glass, a jigger, some garnish, some beautiful red Italian bitter, and a sweet vermouth. So we're gonna start with our red bitter, and you might recognize the color from a certain button down below. So subscribe. So we're gonna do equal parts still. We're gonna work with 30 milliliters of the bitter. Gonna build this drink. Sweet vermouth, same here, 30 milliliters. And then we're gonna ice up. Go. Whoop. Jesus. We're gonna put in the Prosecco last because the ice, if I pour it in afterwards, it's gonna really bubble up and we can't really control the level of foam. Give it a little stir. We wanna kind of start the conversation in the glass.
Ciao bella, come stai?
But we don't wanna shake it up and get it too diluted. So a stir is all we need. It's an easy drink. It's originally made with Prosecco, but come on, the company is paying. Of course I'm gonna get champagne. This time, let me show you how to proper open a sparkling wine without killing anyone in the production. Put your thumb on the cork, twist it. Make sure your thumb is on top and not on the side like this. And then just twist it slowly. We don't want to pop. Oh God. We want a little psst. And then 30 milliliters, but I'm just gonna top it up straight in the glass. Nice. I'm gonna garnish with a little zest. So just cut off a little beet. That was very Swedish. A little piece. Trim off the excess of the white because that is very bitter. Just kind of spritz it over. Give it a little wipe because we want the oils on the glass. It's for the nose. So when you smell the glass now when you drink it, it's gonna smell orange. It's gonna enhance that experience of the orange bitter. So here you have it. The perfect Negroni Sbagliato. Sbagliato! Let's taste it. The bubbles in the sparkling wine really elevates the drink. It's not as heavy as an original Negroni. It really gives you that uplift. There's a lot of flavor in there from the bitters and the sweet vermouth.
You know that Frank never tried a Negroni?
What? Frank, you never tried a Negroni? No? Well, what can I say? You have to try it. Please have a sip of my Negroni. So here you go.
Thank you. This is my first time, you know.
What?
Yeah.
Oh, this is exciting.
Please hold.
It goes down.
Yeah? Yeah?
Little bit of, did you say grandma?
It tastes like an old grandma.
Frank, what do you think? Are you gonna order this in the bar anytime soon?
Yeah. I could do it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Could
Feeling
do.
motivated?
Yeah.
You feel Italian inside coming out.
Yeah! Sensationellt.
Frank, your camera is falling.
Oh, sorry, I need to go.
So guys, I've shown you how to make the Negroni Sbagliato with Prosecco in it. Now it's your turn to make it. And take loads of pictures of your drinks. Hashtag Absolut Drinks and you might get featured on absolutdrinks.com. If you're like me and can't read, Just follow the button down below that has the same color as the drink. Starts with an S. Hit the little bell. We all know what the bell looks like. Please like this video so I'll get paid next month. Cheers!